Hi, today pacemaker box number 2. So we have more of them in here. So let's start directly. First with this thing, which is totally not a pacemaker. It is a data tape from a flight recorder of a Soviet aircraft. It is worth making a video on it by itself, but I need to find a way to make some kind of fixture with a backlight, allowing to scroll slowly the tape and show, because the data can be read directly. So it is quite interesting, as you can see, self-test and such, but I need to make some kind of fixture in order to be able to read this review. So it is a quite fun way to record data on a silver tape. So we start with a big one. Biotronic, a very vintage Biotronic IDP54, made in Germany. Here is the size of the thing: 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 2 centimeters thick, with a quite weird terminal here for the lid. And if you wonder what it looks inside, it looks like I have another one here without the metal case. So we have two PCBs with corkwood mount components beside the two PCBs, regular components, and probably 4 mercury batteries. We can see a few transistors inside, some overheat indicator here, maybe for sterilization process, and the same weird lid terminal. And I see a black area inside, maybe something did blow in this one. So here is what it looks like inside this. Okay. Next, one more East German Dynacore. I think this is ruining my white balance. I need to remove it. So Tour Technology, model CP201, so one of them. One graphic card made in GDR, German Democratic Republic. You can see it is the same case almost as this one. What next? One more. What next? I am not cheating, guys. I really have all that many pacemakers. One more, as you can see, it is not the same one and show several times. Okay, so they are all the same. So maybe it will be worth opening the one in a less good condition. And, excuse me, I can't get it in the box. One more. Maybe I have a slight overstock of pacemakers. One more. In fact, at a precise point in time, I had a contact from eBay which was able to send me almost everything. It was a guy in Germany. I did pay quite a lot of money in total, but maybe total was like 400 euros or something like this, but I think it is worth it. One more. So we have again 3 of this model, and you can see serial number 4367, 4362, so they were made almost at the same time. And but again here 1675 and 1679, it is quite impressive. We are able to get things with following serial numbers. Okay, so it is all for these ones. Then back to the Western made pacemakers. Pace setup AB, Sweden this time, multi-log, quite a small one. Medtronic, Netherlands, Terra SR, DR, excuse me, with a little running dude. Quite a compact one and very thin, this one. Okay. As always, we have Biotronics, Micros SSC, and Picos XLP. Lots of different kinds. Here we have what seems to be one more flight recorder tape. It will be subject of a future video maybe, with stuff written probably in Polish. One quite big one, made by Sorin Biomedica in Saluggia, Italy. DR1 Swing Adaptive Pacer. So it must be one pacemaker with activity sensor. Like if you are running or something like this, it will adapt. And this one is quite gigantic also. 6 centimeters, 5 in this direction. Okay. More Biotronics. Physio 01, Physio 01, and Dromos DR. What is the point of having so many of them really? VVI pulse generator from Medtronic, Minneapolis, again, USA, of course. And same form factor but a little bit bigger. Multi-programmable pulse generator from Medtronic, but this time made in Holland. So there are some very rare pacemakers made in South Africa, Uruguay, I believe, or something like this, but I don't have these rare ones. The rarest one I have is a Russian one, which is in this box. Next, CPI again, Vigor DR, still by Cardiac Pacemakers in St. Paul, Minnesota. On focus, please. Okay. Alpha 35 from the serial number 30,008, made by the Medicine Technique in LG in Switzerland. Rate programmable and telemetric. Quite a big one. So in this one the seal is down here behind the cap. I believe the weld, because there is no sign of welding on the side of the case. We have one more French one, Chorus by Ella Medical. All these things are very shiny, by the way. This is totally not a pacemaker, it is a VLSI mechanical sample. It is a dummy BGA chip for prototyping and setting the pick and place machines, maybe. Quite unusual thing. Of course, nothing beats one more Biotronic. Then we have here Teorema 100, again by Sorin Biomedica in Saluggia, Italy. Quite thin one. Again, but this one is quite different. CPI microfin, but this one is one of my rare ones with written for display only. This one is a dummy. All the other ones I did show you so far are real ones. So you can say it is a dummy because it is written first. There is no serial number, and if you look inside there is no contact to the terminal here. So it is just a dummy for practitioners to show what it looks like. We have Discovery DR by Guidant, St. Paul, Minnesota. This one have 2 leads connections. Okay. Again Teletronics, so probably no, this one is not made in Australia, it is made in Englewood, probably Colorado, USA. Quite a fun shape on this one, quite thin. Okay, we have one more of these CPI ones, Vigor DDD, model 950, written here on the X-ray plate. Okay, and the last one for this video but not least, the Russian made one by what seems to be Vlestim Cardio Company, made in Russia, not made in USSR, so it is post the breakage of USSR, model ZKS 532, serial number here, nice logo here. The case is closed also by the top. It is quite thin. I would love to open it to see what there is inside, but I have only one, so sadly I cannot do it. Quite amazing. I was very happy when I found this one, by the way. Okay, so this was the box number 2. I think I have 2 other ones. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.